Hello, I'm Jyoti Acharya. I'm a person with visual impact. I'm working at Enable India. In this video, I'm going to show you a solution which I'm using to identify my house. The app name called AirTag. So I have configured that device on my with my mobile Apple phone. So when I feel like I'm very close to my house, so then I will activate that device. So here is the options to play the noise. When I click on that play, so that device which I kept at the entrance of my front door, so it will start making noise. So then I will follow it. Let me show you how I follow. Yes, successfully I reached my house. So the device I kept here front of the door. So this is the device I kept at the entrance. So it will start making the noise when I clicking that options. So this is the way I use this app and I identify my house gate. Thank you.
Break Free Solutions, brought to you by Project Discovery, supported by Enable India and Google.